Your well-being is a priority at Veterans Affairs Canada, and our mission is to support you. A new Caregiver Recognition Benefit is available for your caregiver. We want to better recognize the caregivers who play an important role in your well-being. We've made 3 big changes to this benefit. First, it is now a tax-free payment of $1,000 a month. Second, the benefit is now paid directly to your designated caregiver. And third, you only need to apply once. No more annual renewals. This benefit replaces the Family Caregiver Relief Benefit. Already receiving this benefit? Complete an easy one-time only application to make sure your caregiver receives the funds directly. No more yearly renewals will be required. We know that support from a caregiver is an important part of your well-being. This benefit will help you get essential care. For more information on the Caregiver Recognition Benefit and how it may help you, visit veterans.gc.ca/services. A message from the Government of Canada.